Our topic for today is about functions. So, a function is a relation where each element in the domain is related to only one value in the range by some rule. So, a function is a set of ordered pairs x and y such that no two ordered pairs have same x value but different y values. So using a functional notation, we can write f of x or f function of x is equal to y, read as f of x is equal to y. In particular, if 1 and 2 is an ordered pair associated with the function f, then we say that function of 2 is equal to 1. Functions as representations of real-life situations. So for example, give a function c that can represent the cost of buying x meals if one meal costs 40 pesos. So solution. So since each meal costs 40 pesos, then the cost function is c of x is equal to 40x. Another example is a doctor's fee is based on the length of time. So up to 6 minutes cost 500, over 6 and up to 15 minutes cost 800, and over 15 minutes cost 800 plus 50 pesos per minute above 15 minutes. So how are we going to write this problem into a solution? So f or function of t is equal to 500, that represents 6 minutes cost, 800 that represents 6 and up to 15 minutes cost, and then the 800 plus 50 times t minus 15 that represents over 15 minutes cost 800 plus 50 per minute above 15 minutes. So we have a question here. So if you visit for 20 minutes, what is the fee? So in this given equation or solution, we have to choose one of these three. So we will use this formula. So 800 plus 50 times t or time. The time is 20 minutes. So 20 minus 15. And then simplify. 800 plus 50 times 20 minus 15 is 5. So 800 plus 50 times 5 is 250. Our final answer is 1050. Okay, our third example in using functions involving real-life situation is a jeepney ride costs 8 pesos for first 4 kilometers and each additional integer kilometer adds 1.50 pesos to the fare. So use a piecewise function to represent the jeepney fare in terms of the distance or d in kilometers. So in solution, we input value which is the distance and the output is the cost of the jeepney fare. So if function of d or function of distance represents the fare as the function of distance, the functions can be represented as to this. So function d or function distance is equal to 8, which is the cost of the fare or the jeepney ride cost, and 8 plus 1.5, which is the additional fare in additional integer kilometers to the fare. So 8 if 0 is greater than d and greater and equal to 4, and 8 plus 1.5 represents the distance if d is greater than 4. I-copy and answer in the yellow pad paper the following problems involving real-life situations and functions.